Hi, this is Kia Buckets with another unboxing video. Anyhow, got another parcel in today from markerbids.com. I'm not quite sure what exactly it is though. Ooh, 14-inch Apex 2 barrel. Cool. I won this on December the 18th, and it shipped out on December the 19th, and it's Apex 2 barrel, and I won it for a final bid price of 60 cents. Not too bad. Anyhow, this is Kia Buckets signing out.